Hey there, design lovers! Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your ultimate destination for all things home decor and design. Today, I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into the charming world of bungalow guest house design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. As we know, creating a welcoming and comfortable space for your guests is a wonderful way to extend hospitality, and a bungalow-style guest house offers a unique blend of coziness and practicality. A bungalow guest house, in essence, is a smaller, self-contained dwelling typically located on the same property as the main house. The term, bungalow, itself refers to a style of architecture characterized by low-slung roofs, wide porches, and a horizontal emphasis. This architectural style originated in India and was adapted and popularized in various parts of the world, particularly in the early 20th century. When applied to a guest house, the bungalow style offers a sense of relaxed comfort and casual elegance. It's a design that prioritizes accessibility and a connection to the surrounding landscape, making it an ideal choice for creating a tranquil retreat. There are several compelling reasons to choose a bungalow design for your guest house. Firstly, the single-story layout offers excellent accessibility for guests of all ages and abilities. There are no stairs to navigate, which makes it particularly suitable for elderly guests or those with mobility issues. Secondly, the bungalow style often incorporates large windows and open floor plans, maximizing natural light and creating a sense of spaciousness. This is especially beneficial in a guest house, where you want to create a welcoming and airy atmosphere. Finally, the bungalow's inherent connection to the outdoors, often through porches, patios, or gardens, encourages relaxation and enjoyment of the surrounding environment. This creates a true escape for your guests. Designing a beautiful bungalow guest house involves careful consideration of several key elements. Start by establishing a cohesive style that complements your main house while also possessing its own unique character. Consider the flow of the space, ensuring a comfortable living area, a functional kitchenette or kitchenette area, depending on the size, a well-appointed bathroom, and a comfortable sleeping area. Pay attention to details like flooring, lighting, and window treatments, which can significantly enhance the ambience. Incorporating natural materials like wood and stone can further enhance the bungalow's inherent warmth and charm. Don't forget the importance of landscaping. A well-maintained garden or patio area can significantly enhance the guest experience. What is the best bungalow guest house facade design? The facade is the first impression your guests will have of their temporary home, so it's essential to get it right. Some popular choices include: first, Craftsman Bungalow. Characterized by tapered columns, exposed rafters, and deep overhanging eaves. Second, California Bungalow. Features stucco exteriors, arched doorways, and red tile roofs. Third, Modern Bungalow. Emphasizes clean lines, large windows, and a minimalist aesthetic. Fourth, Traditional Bungalow. Simple design, often using brick or wood siding. The best choice will depend on the overall style of your property and your personal preferences. And to inspire you more for your next project, here these the collection of the top 10 best bungalow guest house design ideas to consider. 1. Embrace natural light. Large windows and skylights maximize natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. 2. Create an outdoor oasis. A private patio or garden area extends the living space and provides a relaxing retreat. 3. Incorporate multifunctional furniture. Pieces that serve multiple purposes, like a sofa bed or a storage ottoman, maximize space efficiency. 4. Choose a cohesive color palette. A consistent color scheme throughout the guest house creates a sense of harmony. 5. Add personal touches. Thoughtful details, like fresh flowers or local artwork, make guests feel welcome. 6. Prioritize comfort. Invest in comfortable bedding, plush towels, and quality amenities. 7. Consider privacy. Ensure adequate separation from the main house and provide window coverings for privacy. 8. Incorporate local materials. Using materials native to your region can enhance the bungalow's connection to its surroundings. 9. Think about storage. Provide ample storage space for guests' belongings to keep the space clutter-free. 10. Blend indoor and outdoor spaces. Create a seamless transition between the interior and exterior living areas. Designing a bungalow guest house is a rewarding endeavor that allows you to create a welcoming and comfortable space for your visitors. By considering the factors we've discussed today, you can create a beautiful and functional retreat that your guests will truly appreciate. Remember to visit our channel, Home Inspiration Studios, for more design inspiration and expert advice. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best bungalow guest house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Home's Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.